Welcome! If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to organize ideas, tasks, and projects, WorkFlowy is a great solution. WorkFlowy is designed around a flexible outlining system that allows you to break down information into clear, structured lists. Its minimalist interface helps you focus on thinking, planning, and organizing without unnecessary distractions. Whether you're managing projects, planning daily tasks, brainstorming ideas, or organizing notes, WorkFlowy provides a clean environment to structure your thoughts and stay productive. Let's get started. WorkFlowy and show you how to use it effectively. What is WorkFlowy? WorkFlowy is a simple yet powerful outlining tool designed to help users organize information in a structured manner. Functions as a note-taking app, to-do list, and project management tool all in one. Unlike traditional productivity apps with complex interfaces, WorkFlowy offers a clean, distraction-free workspace where users can create nested lists. Zoom in and out of topics, and tag or search for important items. With its intuitive design and flexibility, WorkFlowy is widely used by individuals and teams to manage tasks, brainstorm ideas, and structure projects efficiently. The tool's minimalist approach ensures that users can focus on their content without unnecessary clutter, making it a favorite for productivity enthusiasts. Why use WorkFlowy for productivity and outlining? WorkFlowy stands out as a productivity tool because of its simplicity and adaptability. Instead of relying on rigid structures like traditional project management software, it allows users to create lists that can be infinitely expanded and reorganized. This makes it ideal for tasks and project management. Create lists for daily, weekly, or long-term tasks, set priorities, and track progress. Note-taking and research organize lecture notes, meeting summaries, or research materials in a structured way. Writing and outlining plain articles, books, or presentations with easy-to-manage bullet points. Collaboration and teamwork, share lists and projects with colleagues for real-time collaboration. Key features of WorkFlowy nested lists for organization. WorkFlowy allows you to create lists with unlimited sub-items. Helping you break down complex tasks into manageable steps. Zoom in functionality. Click on any bullet point to focus on a specific section, keeping distractions at bay. Use tags and mentions to categorize and quickly find information. Work faster with intuitive keyboard commands for navigation and editing. Share lists with team members and edit them in real time. Cross-device syncing. WorkFlowy syncs across all devices, allowing you to access your notes from anywhere. Mirroring items. Duplicate and sync content across different lists for better organization. Who can benefit from WorkFlowy? WorkFlowy is designed for anyone who needs to organize thoughts, tasks, and projects. It is especially useful for students. Keep track of assignments, exam schedules, and lecture notes. Writers. Plan stories, research topics, and outline chapters effortlessly. Entrepreneurs and professionals manage projects, meetings, and business plans with ease. Teams and organizations collaborate on shared lists and enhance workflow efficiency. 1. Getting started with WorkFlowy. Creating an account to start using WorkFlowy. Follow the steps. Visit the WorkFlowy website. Click sign up and enter your email address. Set a password and confirm your account through your email. Log in and access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will see a blank page with a single bullet point. This is where you will begin structuring your list. Understanding the WorkFlowy interface. WorkFlowy is designed to be a distraction-free and easy to use. Here are its key elements. Bullets. Nesting. Every item in WorkFlowy is represented as a bullet point. You can create sub-bullets under each main bullet to organize information in a structured way. Expand and collapse. Click on a bullet to expand or collapse its sub-items. Zoom in and out. Click on a bullet to focus on that specific list. Use the breadcrumb navigation at the top to zoom out and return to higher levels. Search and tag. You can use hashtags and mentions to categorize and quickly find items. Number 2. Creating and organizing lists. Adding and nesting items. To create a new item, start typing next to a bullet point and press Enter to add another item. Use the Tab key to indent and create sub-items. Using tags for organization. Tags help categorize and filter your tasks or notes. You can create tags by typing hashtag followed by a keyword such as hashtag work or hashtag urgent. Searching and filtering items. Use the search bar at the top of WorkFlowy to quickly find notes, tasks, or tagged items. You can also use advanced search filters such as is completed, shows completed tasks. Hashtag work filters items tagged as work. @John displays items mentioning @John. Number 3. Enhancing productivity with WorkFlowy. Using WorkFlowy for task management. WorkFlowy can function as a simple to-do list or a powerful task manager. Create a bullet for each project or category. Break tasks into smaller steps using nested lists. Mark completed tasks by clicking the bullet or using the shortcut TARL plus Enter. Collaborating with teams. WorkFlowy allows users to share lists and collaborate in real time. To share a list, click the bullet you want to share. Select Share from the menu. Copy the generated link and send it to your team. Shared lists allow multiple users to edit and update content, making WorkFlowy a great collaboration tool. Using WorkFlowy for note-taking and research. WorkFlowy is excellent for organizing notes, research, and ideas. You can keep meeting notes organized. Outline articles, books, or essays. Track research materials using nested lists and tags. Number 4. Advanced WorkFlowy features. Keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. Mastering shortcuts can speed up your workflow. Tab, indent an item. Shift plus Tab, outdent an item. Krill plus Enter, mark item as completed. Krill plus F, search items. Shift plus M, mirror items. Mirroring items for reuse. Mirroring allows you to duplicate an item while keeping changes synchronized across multiple places. To mirror an item, select the item. Press TARL plus Shift plus M, place the mirrored item in another list. Exporting and backup. To back up your list, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Export. Choose between plain text or OPML format. Number 5. Integrating WorkFlowy with other tools. Syncing with Google Calendar. WorkFlowy does not have a built-in calendar, but you can use third-party integrations like Zapier to connect WorkFlowy with Google Calendar. You can also manually add deadlines using hack tags and review them during your daily planning. Connecting WorkFlowy with other apps. WorkFlowy can integrate with tools such as Trello for visual project management, Evernote for advanced note-taking, Slack for team communication, WorkFlowy for different use cases, WorkFlowy for writers. Writers can use WorkFlowy to outline books, articles, and scripts. WorkFlowy for students. Students can use WorkFlowy to organize lecture notes, manage assignments, and prepare for exams. WorkFlowy for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs can use WorkFlowy to track business ideas, plan marketing strategies, and manage customer outreach. Thanks for watching this WorkFlowy tutorial. Using a clear outlining system can make a huge difference in how you manage ideas, tasks, and long-term projects. Tools like WorkFlowy help you stay organized, think more clearly, and keep everything in one structured place. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on productivity tools, software platforms, and workflow systems. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.